Coweta County in west central Georgia, southwestern Fulton County in north central Georgia, until 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 3:28 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Buchanan to Mount Zion to near Graham, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Newton, Douglasville, Carrollton, City of South Fulton, Villa Rica, Fairburn, Bremen, Palmetto, Temple, Bowdoin, Mount Zion, Whitesburg, Waco. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.